knock this down. It's a day in itself. But we got all the paneling down.
We're back up at the A-frame, getting started with cleaning it out and doing the demolition work upstairs.
We'll both grab it.
Yeah. All right. Ready?
Ready?
Let's do it. Push, push, push. Got it. Easy, easy. Oh, yeah. There we go. Piece of cake. Nice. That can go right.
So we just made this into a little sleeping area for us for now, because we might rent the other cabin this summer. So at least we got this cleaned up. It's actually a new mattress that was upstairs, brand new memory foam mattress. So that's in good shape. We're saving that. Be able to have a little sitting and sleeping area in here. And we did a lot of cleaning. Our friend James is helping us clean out downstairs right now. And lots of progress here at the A-frame. Devin just took that door off, planed the bottom. And now it's not sticking anymore.
Refit.
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 So much better up here. The bed's gone.
Yeah, no, it doesn't stay.
All cleaned out. So much better. Now we get a better idea of the space. Of course, that floor there beyond that second rail is going to be open space down to the living room. So I'm standing in what will be the little loft bedroom.
Now the next question, I want to see how he's doing. Maybe go to a dump run.
Okay.
I guess this goes here. This is not operable, so this is not it. This is the screen for that. Eventually, that goes in. Ooh.
Well, at least we have a little more light up here. Yeah, so a couple people on my last video commented that why aren't you just painting the paneling and saving it? Which I understand that, because actually we've done that before and I hate doing drywall. But in this case, there's a lot of water damage that the camera's probably not even showing. And it's super old, it's all ripply in areas. It's got a lot of issues. So also when we opened up this little area over here, we found out that there's no insulation. So that's why we decided to take down all the paneling and demo this, put in new insulation, and then we'll probably resheath it with tongue and groove or like shiplap pine or something like that.
Thankfully, it didn't hurt it much. It jumped right out. The thing didn't have a thing on it.
Oh my God, did it just fall on the roof?
Yeah, but it's all right.
The awning roof?
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm going outside. Nice.
It wasn't tied on to anything.
So it must hit the awning roof, right?
It did. There's a little minor dent.
Well, that's coming down anyway, but that's ridiculous.
This has probably been like this for 5 years or more. So what we have to do is, I think we got to get some WD-40 on this little bad boy. Oh, no, she's alive. She's alive. This has to go outside first. And then this. See this track right here? See this track?
Yeah.
It has to go into this out here.
Okay.
So I have to hold it up. I have to disconnect these. And these have to be first. And
Okay.
then the other ones can go in. But not until these are in. Like this. And like that. I got one. I got both.
Awesome.
Okay, now. Once I get those in, they're on the track.
I can picture the glass
Oh,
breaking right
that
now.
one slipped off the track. That one slipped off the track. Okay, that's done. And this one has to be done. This has to be brought back in. This has to go all the way down. Locked on. I need it down. Then it has to get locked up again. Hopefully it'll go back up. And I need that lock.
Just grab the fan so we can vent the second floor of the A-frame when we start demoing all that paneling and insulation upstairs. So this should work perfect. It's not going to fit in that window actually very well, I can already see, but we'll try. So we're making progress, and that's all that counts. Just got to keep making progress. So last time we cleaned out, we didn't clean it out. We had our buddy James, paid him a few dollars, and he cleaned this all out for us. Really amazing compared to what it was. Making great demo progress upstairs today. Up on the loft on the second floor.
No, it's fine. Doing good. Just bring it up to me. Good. Where we're doing. Awesome. Beautiful. You can't nail it and then have it boom. No, I get it. You know what I mean? I get it.
So, look at that.
Well, I have to take a look at it.
There's some nice mouse turds.
I mean,
So Devin and James took down all the paneling. It's amazing. Now we know what we're dealing with. Next, the strapping will have to come down because we think we're going to nail whatever new wall surface we use directly to the rafters. And I think it'd be easier to insulate if we took down all the strapping.
so that's the question. See how most of these are already furred out for boards. Every 2 feet.
Yeah.
I mean, if we have to add a couple more, it's not the end of the world. And I know it's a pain in the ass, but all this insulation, it doesn't have to be continuous. You can do 2 pieces, one top, one bottom. It's almost easier. You only get them.
No ridge beam, just little plywood gusset plates up there.
Gussets. Little gussets.
Good.
So we're gonna have to, if you want this strapping out, the walls don't look bad, but we're gonna have to pry each one of these nails out at a time and then take all this down. It's a day in itself. But we got all the paneling down. You can see what you're up against. These are 2 foot on center. We're gonna have to replace all of that insulation. It's all mouse ridden. All sorts of holes everywhere. Half it's like falling apart. It's gross. We did an incredible amount of work here. This vacuum has to come down.
And we ended the day with an outside fire to get rid of some of the wood debris that was left over from downstairs. Oh, and in the last video, I didn't show you the Brook frontage up close, so I just wanted to show you that a little closer in this video. There's a little opening there. And it's just so pretty down here. See, we even got some beach sand. There's our platform at the other property. So that's going to be all for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.